New Year is the most favorite and long-awaited holiday. In the run-up to New Year's Eve, it always seems as if something magical and joyful is about to happen. The festive atmosphere is all around, and people are preparing for the arrival of the new year. People buy lush fir trees, fruit, sweets, and presents for their loved ones. Before the celebration, we decorate the Christmas tree and rooms with bright lights, toys, tinsel, and colorful balls. The house looks festive and cozy. Everyone tries to cook something tasty and unusual for the festive table. Relatives and friends get together, have fun, sing and dance. Outside, fireworks are fired, and everywhere we can hear joy, congratulations, and excitement over the arrival of the new year. I'm sure that the coming year will bring much happiness for all of us.